Hello, I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and associate broker of Maiga Homes with Keller Williams. Today I'm going to be covering the fifth topic in my Selling a Home series, 9 innovative ways to stand out in the spring market. If you are thinking about listing your home for sale, my Selling a Home series is sure to give you some really good information to consider. However, you can never bring a professional realtor into the picture too early, as we're here to be a resource and consultant to you as you're preparing to make a move. Of course, the Maiga Homes real estate team is always available and eager to assist you if you live in Southeast Michigan. As a matter of fact, if you currently own a home and will be buying a new home at the same time, you should also consider checking out my first video series, which is on buying and selling at the same time. Now for today's topic. Here are the 9 innovative ideas your agent can use to help your listing stand out in the crowded spring housing market. Idea 1. List on a Thursday with an open house scheduled for the first weekend. This generates an automatic property notification to all buyers who have portals in the multiple listing service at 5 a.m. the next day, just in time for planning out the weekend. Secondly, buyers often feel there is pressure to get in and make an offer before the open house, as they often assume this sells the home. This can lead to more showings and offers at a faster time frame. Idea 2. Price it where buyers are searching. Buyers are looking on the 25, 50, 75, and 100,000 marks. When is the last time you searched for a property up to 229,000? You don't. You'd be looking up to 230, or maybe you set a bottom range of 225 to 400. Idea 3. Price your home competitively to generate more interest. Listing as high as possible isn't always the best strategy. We want to price it at the top of the market, but not so high as to deter buyers from coming through. Knowing what your subdivision's values are, how quickly they're selling, and what your competition is listed at will help us pick a strategic price to get in front of the most potential buyers and generate a result you're looking for. Idea 4. Paint, carpet, and decluttering. These are the highest return on investment items you can make even in a hot market. Buyers need to make an emotional connection to your home and simply cannot do it if they have to look past your clutter. Furthermore, buyers often overestimate the cost of common repairs like paint and carpet by about 40% of what it actually costs. They are less likely to want to offer you anything or will deduct it in the offer price. Idea 5. Be available for showings. Arrange to be out of town the first 4 days of listing to allow for maximum interest in showings. Coordinate with pet sitters during showing hours to allow extended flexibility. Plan in advance to make sure you aren't unnecessarily blocking important, potentially high-traffic showing times and dates. Idea 6. Shoot a drone video for coming soon marketing. Buyers are online, and videos generate 35% more interest in showings. Buyers want to know what the layout of the house is and feel pictures can be deceiving. Idea 7. Provide potential buyers with updates and accurate feature sheets. Your agent should put together an accurate list of the age of all your hardware and point out any and all the updates that you've done to the property, as this will help the buyer make a decision faster and eliminate any questions or concerns they may have from not knowing these things. Idea 8. If the mechanicals of the home are older, you can offer potential buyers a home warranty. This is a great way to incentivize them and make them feel more comfortable writing an offer on your home despite having older hardware. And idea 9, consider offering lender credits to your buyer. If you own a home that has been rented, needs a lot of work, or is being sold in a buyer's market, offering your buyer credits toward the closing costs can potentially make the difference of whether your home sells or not. It's important to note that this option is pretty rare, but can be considered in certain circumstances. Maiga Homes real estate team prides itself on finding new and innovative ways to market our clients' homes, help our clients get top dollar, and sell our clients' homes faster than the competition. In fact, as of August 2020, I've set records in over 50 different subdivisions. Call my office today to schedule an appointment to meet with me. And as always, if I'm not able to personally assist you, I'm part of a global real estate company and can refer you to a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. Next week's episode will cover how much does it cost to sell a house. So be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel today and tune in weekly to learn more about selling your home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.